As you can see by the title, today's video is a product review of the Navage Nasal Care. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I'm never sure.
Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again.
Today has been a really frustrating bad day with my nasal congestion. It's been a lot of sneezing because of this condition. I've had 2 surgeries so far and nothing changed. I'm really allergic to dust. Like the slightest dust will get me sick. So today I've been doing a lot of sneezing and a lot of, they're not dry sneeze, like wet sneeze. I went to Walgreens. I've been really thinking about it because I'm like, I don't want to keep buying this. So I decided to really invest in the Navage Nasal Care. This one was $100 on the dot. So let's see if it really works, because I've been thinking of it, but I'm like, I don't want to spend that much money to clean my nose. But the way my condition is very severe, and the more I sneeze, the more my nasal tissue get bigger, and then that's why I had to do the first surgery. And so I'm like, let me really invest in it and see if it's worth the money. It is saying that it's 100% tested and verified to work perfectly. So that's what I'm looking for, because I'm so tired. It's way smaller than I expected compared to my head. That's the part that goes inside your nose. So the way it starts is I sneeze like from 5 to 7 times in a row, and then my nose starts really itching me, and my throat gets scratchy, and now that's a new symptom. My eyes gets watery. So it's really bad. I'm looking at the setup here. Gotta remove that tape. This goes right here. Okay, that was pretty easy. They have 3 bags of the saline. You put 1. So you lift this right here, you put it right here, and then you just push it down. Okay, I feel like I did it wrong though. Yep, I did it wrong. Okay, so before I did that, I'm supposed to put warm water to fill it up to here with warm water. So let me do that first. I got the water, and one thing I have to mention, I'm begging you, do not use sink water unless it's boiled. Okay, I am using distilled water. I just warm it up because they say warm water. But yes, do not use sink water or like tap water, because I've read an article about a woman that was doing this for months, years, and she actually got an infection and died. So do not use that. So I'm gonna use this and fill it up. One thing I just noticed on this, it has arrows indicating which nose is coming from. So whichever whatever you're more comfortable with, that's what you use. All right. Once it started, it just kept going. I like that. And then I could feel everything just coming out. But then one thing is though, I put it in the wrong nose. I wanted it to go this way, but it's actually going that way. I don't know how much a day I can do, but I'm about to do it on the opposite end. So let's see, because it felt good. Like it felt good in my nose. I didn't feel like I was choking or anything. I just had to remember to keep my mouth open. So I'm gonna go do it on the other nose, because everything that I feel in my nose right now, that little water was not enough. review for this. Okay, first of all, I think this is amazing. At first, I was very frustrated because it wouldn't work. I didn't know how to make it work because I wasn't following 100% in instructions. But besides that, like, it's really good. I don't feel it under my like in the back of my neck. I don't feel like, you know, sometimes like you feel like the water is going on your throat. I didn't feel that with this. This is it for the video. I don't know how it's gonna work yet, how it's gonna make me feel afterward for the night. I'm really hoping I get a good night's sleep tonight, and then my nose is really clear up. But as for this itself, I do think like it's very easy to use, and it's good. I actually got it from Walgreens, but they do have it on Amazon for the same exact price. So I will put a link on the description below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment of what you thought of this. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.